never get it right. Okay, there we go. Nope, I lied. That's not how we go. Like that. I'm gonna move this one over. Cause this one don't look like it's tight enough. Move this one over to this one. Like that. We gonna clip on those. I made mine extra tight so that when I put it on, it's yeah. So it fits my head. We're gonna cut this out here. I already started, but it's not like a lot that I gotta cut. It's only a little bit. Sorry, y'all. If you're not gonna do the bald head method, can y'all make sure that y'all, I said can y'all, make sure that y'all like save y'all sideburns because stuff like that matter. I can't get it. Toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and not shit. You a damn drug, you. Like that. All the sex on replay, running back like a DJ, surfing on your face while you eat that, trying to make a bad bitch behave. No, what I was gonna do is I'm gonna take this. Thinking I will wait for you. You want to use the eyebrow pencil? I'm gonna use slime this lip liner. Where did it go? I just had it. I just had it on my face too. It's like every time you just have something and then it's like you put it back, it's never when you put it back at. I guess I can use my eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna mark where I need to put the glue at. Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always caught in your dramatics, all in your acrobatics. You know I want static. Tell me to throw it backwards. And that damn Don Julio made me a fool for you. And I still hit your phone up with the right. That's why I need the pencil. I don't know what I just did with it. I just had it like up there. Cause I had a little clutter-free mess of my life. I did put it back in. I just couldn't see it. My lips look super big with this lip line. You a damn drug, you toxic. I can see it now a little bit. So yeah, I really need to do that, but some people like guidelines. So yeah, you already know what I can do. Popsicle stick. Before I do that, I need to see something real quick. I feel like this probably have to go back a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna have to go back a little bit because my hairline is like all the way down there. Alright, so we're gonna put some right here in the front. I already write my hairliner down with some alcohol before I started. So y'all might want to go do that before y'all get to wearing something. So I forgot to tell y'all that I didn't start the I didn't do the video because my mom went ahead and ended up installing her own wig. It didn't turn out bad though. I'm actually proud of her. She's always calling me like, you need to come out here and install it for me. And she ended up doing it herself. She's like, it's like self-explanatory. And I was like, that's basically what I've been telling you, but she wanted me to make her another wig, so I'll probably be giving y'all a video how I do that. I make a wig for her. Well, for like how I make a wig for my client, because all the other wigs I make for myself, so I kind of do it different. For like clients, I kind of need like their head measurement because I'll be using a different type of dome head. Like if your head, my head is small, I don't have a big head, so if your head is bigger than mine, so I'll have to go by that. Basically, I'm just laying it down because it got like tacky, and what I do is I work my way from side to side. So I start in the middle and I press down lightly, and then I work my way from side to side with my ear tabs, and then I get me an elastic band, and I just lay my elastic band down. Like y'all, it's very rare. Like it's like 3 something in the morning, and I'm doing this voiceover. I just put the elastic band on, but you can use anything that you have, scarf, zip wrap, whatever, as long as it lays your wig down. The only thing about it was this elastic band that I use is actually like a headband thing, and I just cut it into elastic band because I don't have any more, and it couldn't get like my ear part, like cover my ear part correctly. But basically, I already dropped a picture on who I'm copying, and in the video she had on hoops. So I'm just putting on hoops, and I like made my lip a little darker because she had like this little purple lip on, and I'm just using my little spray mister to like enhance my curls better, and that's it. Oh, and I'm gonna define my part too. Well, like not really, but I'm just gonna make a part of my head. It don't have to be defined. I kind of don't like that look, and I didn't like overly bleach my knots, so they're perfect for me. But if you want your knots to be like overly bleached, if you like that look, and then you can go in with like some mascara or some black coloring, then by all means do that. Also, I'm using a non-alcohol foam, so make sure y'all get y'all some of that because it actually works better on your curly hair, and it also works better on your real hair. Now all I'm really doing is just like trying to make it flat so it don't be real big in the middle. And this is the second time that I just yawned in this video, and I'm not finna redo my voiceover, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm using a brush like the one that you brush your hair with, and a comb just to make it flat. I ended up putting a scarf on it when I got off camera for a little bit, but it was making my head hurt since I had the elastic band on there. And I'm using I forgot the name of this lipstick. It's by Melanio, I think that's what it is. I forgot what number it is, but I'll put some of that on, and I'll put some of my nude butter lip gloss from NYX on top. And now I'm just removing the elastic, and I'm showing you guys that it scalps, sis. Hey,
This is scalp, okay? I'm really proud of myself. Then I just cut the lace with my razor. Like, you know, it's just like the same old, same old. I was just like tired of hearing my voice during the video, so I just did a voiceover, and yeah.
You a damn drug, you toxic, problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always caught in your dramatics, all in your acrobatics. You know I want the static. Tell me to throw it backwards. And that damn Don Julio made me a fool for you. And I still hit your phone up with the rah rah rah. Missing my da da da, missing that All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and not shit. You a damn drug, you toxic. Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable.
But before I let my baby hairs and all that, I just want to show you guys that look how good it's blended in. Once again, I only bleached my T, well, I say T-zone of my lace. Like, that's like the perimeter and then down the middle. So, yeah. Now I'm just cutting my baby hairs. If you're just starting off, you should start long and then work your way short so you can like mold it how you want to. I know exactly how I want mine, but I was just showing you guys that I started long, and then if it's too long, I just keep cutting until it gets short. But now all I do is cut short, and then I just mold it to how I want it. I'm getting to the point where I'm trying to use like less and less baby hairs for like my installs, especially because I wanted to look natural. So this baby hair look is like really like just a natural look. I just only did like the little sides. I didn't do anything in the middle, nothing. I just did the sides, and that was it. Cut that side short, and then that was it. And then the little sideburns, I just laid those, and that's basically all I did. I didn't really have to do much to this wig because how it was sent to me, it was like already done for me. I just had to adjust it. That's it. That's all.
You a damn drug, you toxic, problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always caught in your dramatics, all in your acrobatics. You know I want the static. Tell me to throw it backwards.
Some hair from Amazon, a beautiful Amazon vendor. In fact, Nikiss hair. Don't forget to go get you some hair from them. Yes, honey. Yes, like vibes.
All of this love is
It just good vibes.
all these kisses and hugs and
Yes,
not shit.
and go get your some hair from them.
Toxic.
Wait. Oh, okay. Like I thought. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to add me on all my social medias. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go tell everyone about me. Go. Friends, family, aunties, uncles, whoever will listen. Go.